Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this session, we are going to talk about Dart, modern programming language developed by Google. Dart is designed to be easy to use, fast, and suitable for building user interface or UI, as well as application logic, while it's widely known as the primary language behind the Flutter framework. Dart can actually language behind the Flutter be used independently for various purposes, ranging from command line, application, and backend service to web development. And here, for the first, Dart is an object-oriented programming language with syntax similar to Java or JavaScript. And Dart is beginner-friendly while still powerful enough for large-scale projects. And some of its standout features include fast performance, a type-safe system that supports null safety, and the ability to compile to both native code and the JavaScript. And in here, I want to the example program. The first is we add new files, and the new files which the most .dart like that .dart, because Dart is the language for program. And in here I want to click study.dart, the first. Okay, the most is .dart, right? And in the study of Dart, this is I want to make the simple start program begins with the main function, which is the entry point of code execution. For the example is this. I want to write void main, and the void main is important for the Dart, because in void main we can print the something, and the print is hello world. Hello world. And in this code we'll print hello world to the console to store data that provides several basic data types such as integer for integers, double for decimal, string for text, and bold for true or false values. For the example is and here the example is integer number, this is 10, and the string name, this is the name is wait, the name is Dart. And the last is ball is active. Wait, this Dart, integer for the number, and string for the text, right? And the ball is active. The ball is a true. This integer, if you want to print the number, there is a variable types for the integer, and if you want to print the text, you can be string types. And Dart support three ways to declare variables. This is a var, and this is a final, and the last is for values const. Okay, right? And the final, the use var for variables whose values may change, and final for values that are set once and don't change afterward, and const for values cannot at compile time and never change. And right, and if var this is can change, and the final don't change afterward, and the const for values and never change. Right, this is a different var, final, and const here. And in terms of control flow, Dart provides command structure like if, else, for, and while. For the example, to check if someone is an adult, we can write if age 17, and this print the adult, and else the print is a child. Okay, right. Okay. In the here, if you want after 17, you adult. If you not before 17, you child. This is a check for the age. Yes. And in here for the adult, okay, right? And Dart also supports to use of function which help use organize application logic. Functions are defined using the void keyword or another return type. This is for the example for integer e and okay, not here. Wait, I'm so okay. This is for integer e and I, and this is I for 0, and if I after 5, I plus plus, and the print is I. And that allows you to write clean and modular code. We can use classes to create objects and apply OOP principles such as inheritance and encapsulation. There is the example for that. I'm studying the Dart this, and for instance, we can create a person class with properties and methods. Okay, and then here. So, in conclusion, is Dart is a powerful yet beginner-friendly in language. It's an excellent choice for those who want to dive into modern programming. And it's also robust enough to build large-scale application. Once you have mastered the basic of Dart, the next step is to build stunning user interface using Flutter. And the Dart is first, and after this you can study stunning user interface in Flutter because Flutter this with Dart language. Okay, right? Maybe that's all for me. See you in my next video. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.